Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Take 2 pounds or 900 grams of ground beef. Place it in a large bowl. Break 2 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Grate 1 onion. Friends, please write in the comments, what country and city are you from? It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Add it to the bowl. Finally, chop a bunch of parsley. Add that as well. Mix everything by hand until the mixture is smooth and evenly seasoned. If you have any questions about the recipe, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments, and I'll reply as soon as I can. Place 5 medium potatoes in a pot, fill with water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover with a lid. Cook for 30 to 40 minutes over medium heat until the potatoes are soft. Take a sheet of parchment paper. Shape the ground beef into a square on the paper. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, a like would be much appreciated. It's the best way to support me. In a frying pan, melt a small piece of butter, about 1/4 stick or 30 grams. Grate 2 garlic cloves on a mini grater. Friends, if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more recipes like this. Sauté them in the butter. Take 5 ounces or 150 grams of spinach. Chop it finely. Add it to the garlic and roast for a minute or 2. Then transfer the spinach mixture to the beef square. Grate 5 ounces or 150 grams of Emmental cheese. Add it over the spinach. Gently shape the beef into a roll. In a small bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey, stir well to make a smooth marinade. Transfer the roll to a sheet of foil. Brush the roll with the marinade. Wrap it in the foil. Place it in the oven and bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Next, check the potatoes for doneness by piercing with a fork. Add 1/4 stick or 30 grams of butter. Pour in 2 fluid ounces or 60 milliliters of cream. Mash until smooth. Grate 1 ounce or 30 grams of Parmesan cheese. Add it to the mashed potatoes. Stir until well combined. Take the roll out of the oven 10 minutes before it's done. Open the foil and brush with the remaining marinade. Return to the oven for the last 10 minutes. Once done, take the roll out of the oven, slice it into pieces. Place a few slices of the roll on a plate. Add a generous scoop of mashed potatoes. Finely chop a small bunch of parsley. Sprinkle over the potatoes. Have a few cherry tomatoes. Add them to the plate. That's it. A tender meat roll filled with garlicky spinach and melted cheese, served alongside creamy mashed potatoes and fresh cherry tomatoes. A hearty, satisfying dish that's full of flavor and perfect for a family dinner. I hope this dish brings the same warmth and joy to your family as it does to mine. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking.